Hi, my name is Harshita Didi and I have the privilege of graduating as the best outgoing student for the graduating class of 2021 for Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. If I were to look back at my journey at Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, I would definitely describe it as being extremely well structured in terms of getting a balanced amount of exposure to both academic as well as extracurricular opportunities that my degree could offer. To put this into perspective, in my first year, I focused on availing academic exposure into core engineering subjects. Each coursework with its lab gave me hands-on experience into core scientific principles that were not limited to my major, which was computer science. One memorable instance that comes to mind is manufacturing processes and its lab. As a computer science major, I had never thought that I would actively use that subject once I graduate or even during the course of my undergraduate studies. But in little less than a year that I took that class, I was actually able to use that subject while building a robot chassis by hand for a national levels robotic competition called eYantra, which was hosted by IIT Bombay. I was able to help my teammates add immense customizations to our robot, which was actually attributed as one of the factors for the robot's nifty design and our eventual win at the competition. Through such similar experiences, I was able to step into my second year with an awareness of all the diversity that engineering as a discipline could offer. I was actually able to use this awareness to pursue external platforms to gain competitive experiences. I was encouraged and mentored by faculty members and a really strong and experienced network of seniors who encouraged me to participate in national and international level competitions. Well, I contributed to my team's win at the Smart India Hackathon and the Celestini Prize India. In fact, 6 of us from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering actually qualified to compete at the Singapore India Hackathon, which hosted selected winners from the Smart India Hackathon as well as international candidates from Singapore. All our teams won some award. For example, my team became the first runners-up, and we were felicitated by the Prime Minister of India and the former Education Minister of Singapore. We received a cash prize to acknowledge our solution that tackled indoor air pollution. I remember coming back from these events and getting just so much of acknowledgement, even if it was just for the effort. Everyone, ranging from our faculty members to our principal sir, encouraged me personally on multiple occasions to share my experience with other students so that they may get familiarized with these opportunities that lay across this discipline. And this itself acted as such a source of inspiration for me to continue engaging and putting effort into such activities. In fact, as my second year ended, I was actively encouraged to solidify the exponential learning that I had gained at hackathons through rigorous academic projects. The faculty-guided mini and minor projects became one of my earliest exposures into the formal methods of academic research, a field that I eventually ended up committing to as I'm currently continuing as a research fellow at Microsoft Research India. In my final year, with consistent support from my department, I was able to actively engage in international level student research competitions as well as share tasks for globally renowned conferences, through which I could get insights into the methods of academic collaborations and its ethics. One consistent element about my journey here at BVCOE was this ethic of service and community outreach that was cultivated here. Even on my first year at college, I was amazed by the enthusiasm that was displayed by the student-driven communities that thrived here. I ended up contributing to a lot of them myself in different capacities, ranging from that of a volunteer, an executive member, and even the lead of a community. The most important thing from this is that the ethic that I developed by engaging in these local communities helped me understand how I could evolve and contribute to more global platforms. And I eventually ended up volunteering for global communities in both organizational and technical capacities. Finally, I'd just like to thank BVCOE for giving me this incredible journey that is worth remembering and that I'm very, very proud of. The foundation that I developed here is definitely very sustainable, and I really hope that I get the opportunity to thank the college for all that they've done for us. Thank you.